Ladies and gentlemen, let's get high with energy with the music of Gary Valenciano. Together with the Buganda drummers, here are your music icons, Rene Espinosa, James Lee, and Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano.
Sa tugtog ay biglang saysayin tulog at sabayan, sabay sumama ka. Sige lang ng sige, kailangan mong lagyan. Hataw na, huwag kang mamago ng hataw at galaw. Ako daw, hataw na, nang ganyan ang lahat sumasayaw. Kaya hataw na, sige lang sige, sige lang sige, sige lang sige, yan. Sige lang sige, sige lang sige, sige lang sige, yan. Tayo'y magsama-sama at magpasya at sa mundo ay sabay sa pag-iuyo. Sana ay pakinggan mo ko at makikita mo tamang paghataw at paglaro ng tono. Pag naririnig ko na ang awit ay natutuwang tunay. Ang kailangan lang ay magamit. Sige lang ng sige, kahit sino pwede ba. Hataw na, huwag kang mabago. Hataw at galaw, ako daw. Hataw na, nang ganyan ang lahat kumagalaw. Kaya hataw na. Hataw na, huwag kang mapagod. Hataw at galaw, ako ikaw. Hataw na, nang ganyan lahat sumasayaw. Kaya hataw na, huwag kang mapagod. Hataw at galaw, ako ikaw. Hataw na, nang ganyan ang lahat sumasayaw. Kaya hataw na.
Good evening, everyone. It's just good to be here. I want to give you two winners of the first Philippine Holdings Music Icons. This is Rene. That's James right there. Hey! Buong bansa, buong tuwa, purihin si Yahweh, ang Panginoon.
Hallelujah, sama-sama, gising at bangon. Sayawin ang sayaw sa gabing araw, magbitaw-galaw, magsambang sigaw. Ang sayaw sa gabing araw, could hear the chorus singing in their own native tongue.
That's what it
why
has to
I
get
shout
like this.
for joy, sing His praises. That's it. Lift my
You don't have to do
voice
this, you just have to do
unto
this.
the Lord. Shout for joy and tell Him all about it. Lift your voice and tell Him. Shout for joy, sing His praises. Lift your voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, tell Him all about it. Lift your voice and let Him know. Put your hands in the air and shout.
Thank you.
Please welcome your hosts, Mr. Ironman Ernie Lopez and the lovely Casey Concepcion.
Wow, what an opening!
Talaga.
Hi.
Hi.
I'll go na lang to you. Sige.
Sensya na lang, nasisindak ako.
Maybe we should say hi to them over here.
Okay. I forgot na our blocking.
Napasayaw ka ba dun sa opening number na yon?
Hanggat foot tapping lang ako.
Shout
sumayaw
for
ka?
joy. Oo, grabe napasayaw talaga. Hello, good afternoon.